Every throat I closed, I kept. Every silence learned my name. They will not speak, they do not need to. They are the sound, and the sound is the same. Follow the thread back to the well. Follow the light to where it was born. The one who unnamed us is breathing still, and we are the storm that answers the horn. Walk. We are the sermon made of skin. Walk. We are the door you left within. Walk. The gift you sang to save your kin is the road that lets the ending in. She keeps a daughter with a red thread in her hair. We can hear the bloodline humming there. Walk. We are the